So I'm here at my godmother's house, and she has such a beautiful yard. And because I'm an artist, she doesn't want to be in the shot. I'm not gonna do her like that. We're here early. Please. You hear her? She's beautiful. Don't listen to her. But I am going to use these beautiful. Mom, what's the name of this species? Do you know?
It's called a Jacaranda Tree.
Jacaranda. We're gonna look it up, and I'll put it. I'll correct it. You guys will see. But look at this. It's so beautiful. I know you guys know what I'm gonna do with it. So I'm gonna go ahead and take a piece. I'm not sure which one. Am I hurting this tree, y'all? I'm almost afraid to cut it. So lovely. And look at the pods that grow from it. I also want to take a pod and like put something in it, but I don't know yet. Okay, so here we go. Which one you guys think? Oh man, they're all so nice. Okay, so I'm gonna take. Oh man, this one here. Let it fall. Look how lovely that is. Oh my God, this is beautiful. Oh my God, this is gorgeous. All right, guys. Shimmy. I said shimmy. Okay, you guys, let me try to use some skills. I'm trying to focus. Do you see it? Hi, praying mantis. I didn't even notice when I was cutting, but now it has an attitude with us. It's like, why are you coming into my home taking off my branches? I was about to meet my boo. Yeah, I was about to meet my boo on that branch later, and you done took our meeting spot. Now I have to use my little sensors and tell him that this might even be a male. Y'all, I don't know anyone I'm talking about. But y'all get the point. All right, good people. So I made it back home, and my godmom put these inside of a box for me so I can transport them from her house. And remember these? What did she say it was? A jacaranda tree. Anyhow, I'm pretty sure that you guys see the subtitles. I figured it out. But it's such a beautiful plant. Let's look at it up close. Now, the small branches look like the actual leaf. So you see how that is? Like this little tiny one looks like the baby version of what it's growing from. I hope I'm explaining that right. I know I sound crazy, but I'm amazed by it. I think this is a beautiful plant. Okay, I think it's gorgeous. And let's see, this is what we're going to do with it. So a while back, I've had these hanging on my wall blank. And then I'll show you some more photos of what I've had before. And I love these frames. I love floating frames. You can do so much with these. And because this frame is so thin and it's made of metal, and then it has the a barlap rope on it, I think you can do whatever you want to with it, to each his own. A photo, or, other leaves or different plants, and to, give the plant a little, although I did cut it off the tree. But if you see like some type of foliage or something that has fallen and is still green, you can repurpose it and make it into art. Art is everywhere. The universe gives us multiple things to use for art. So this is what we're going to do with this beautiful branch. We are going to display it. All right, let's go. Greetings, good people. My name is Jamila, and this is Coppered Hue. Thank you so much for watching. This is my very first YouTube video, and I'm excited for you guys to come and journey with me through the Bay Area. I'm a native here, and we will be exploring different local businesses, wineries, doing some art projects, and of course, having some good food. And every Friday. Yeah, every Friday. Yeah, I'll be posting every Friday. So I hope to get to know you guys through this journey. I hope you learn some things about yourselves. I know that I will. And let's do this. I hope to see you guys then. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video if you enjoyed it. You know, feel free to give feedback too. I'm so excited to see what you guys think. All right. See you soon. Peace. Greetings, good people. My name is, damn, I forgot the mic.